Kasi yung mindset ng most of the people belong to the sighted world, yung mga sighted, yung mga walang kapansanan ba? Pag mag-brown out lang, pag parang natapos na ang mundo, no? Pero kami, brown out, buong buhay namin. Life sentence. I'm Nicky Radaza, one of the visually impaired members of our association and now cooperative, which is the All Persons with Disability Workers Multipurpose Cooperative. And I'm belonging to the musical group kasi nahati sa dalawang grupo ang grupo namin. Mayroong sa entertainers at massage group. We're playing here at the Tagbilaran Seaport Terminal as well as the Bohol Panglao International Airport. All the remaining passengers bound for... Ako lang ang visually impaired sa family namin. Low vision ako, so hindi ako totally blind. So kaya nga, akala ko yung vision ko, yun ang normal. Yung magbibinata na ako, yung mga 11, 12, 13 years old ako, diyan ka pa na natanggap lahat na, pero ang iba ang mundo ko. Yung harmonica, yun ang pinaka-first musical instrument na napag-aralan ko. Tapos, pagka 4 years after, 1980, lang naman ako ng guitar. Tinutulungan na ako ng mga kaibigan ko na they just put my fingers there at the fretboard. Tapos pinapakinggan ko lang yung tunog ng gitara, yung para ma-differentiate ko ang C, D, F, yung parang ganon. Yun na. Here comes the time. Here comes the time. Malaking tulong, sir, kasi considering na marami na ngayon ang trip dito bound for Cebu, especially mga fast craft, maraming magpapamasahe. When they are entertained by our songs, they will also offer their tips. So, yun, mas nakatulong to. Tuloy ang ligaya dito maraming pasahero dito. So, yun, nakatulong itong namin dito, operation. We are so grateful to the Philippine Ports Authority for giving us a chance to have our livelihood here. We have been here for a couple of years already. I think positively on the discomforts of our lives, mga hirap ng ating buhay, wala hindi tayo excuse yun. So we have to think this life positively. Off the ground.